Hello everybody, a happy 2020, a new year to you all. I hope it's a great year. Can you remember where we were last year, Michelle, on this very date? It's the 1st of January, by the way, 2021.
We were in India, in Bangalore.
Absolutely, we're in a hotel in Bangalore, enjoying the wonderful street food of Bangalore. This time last year. Thank you, buddy. It's going to be a long night. Start with a nice coffee. It doesn't seem possible that so much has happened since the 1st of January 2020. So we started tonight with a sweet coffee. Now I've gone for the tandoori chai. Did you see that? They have these clay pots in the tandoor oven, and then they superheat this tea in those clay pots. We could be chai buddies. And that was just the beginning of our tour around the southern states of India, through Tamil Nadu, all the way down the coast, Michelle.
Right the way down to the very bottom southern tip of India.
I really want to get the little girl with her dad. She didn't walk all the way with her dad, but they made such a lovely couple, because father's coming down, he's really sweating, and the little girl's wiping his brow, and they're only about, maybe 10 meters from the end. Well, good job, man. Good job. Michelle and I are going for our morning coffee. This guy's contemplating his navel. Thank you, barista. So, cappuccino. Strong. Very hot. Okay, coffee done and dusted. Go back to the hotel. If we see anything interesting on the drive down, I'll film it and include it in a vlog for today. Hello, sweetheart. Good morning. Kanyakumari. We're leaving Kanyakumari today. It was worth coming down here for the experience of just getting to the end of India. The town itself, I'm not overly impressed by it. His mum was doing his hair for him and just making him look a bit more respectful, because I was filming, I think. And then, he gave his mum a kiss. It's kind of, it's a bit heartbreaking. I'm actually going to go back and give him a little extra money. And then we came up through the lovely seaside villages of Kerala. It was just amazing. But can you remember where we were by February of 2020?
Yes, February we'd moved on to Dubai.
we had. And it was actually a special day. It was Valentine's Day. And we were lucky enough to have the opportunity to book ourselves on to the Queen Elizabeth II, the QE2. It's a hotel. It's an ocean-going liner. Many of you will know. And the geese quacking in the background.
She's a beautiful ship. She's docked in Dubai now as a permanent hotel, isn't she?
This ship used to sail from the Solent, Southampton, the Solent, to New York, if I remember rightly. And it's now based here in Dubai. We're in Dubai for a few days, so we're going to stay in the QE2. I'm so excited. Michelle's excited. We have a Circle K on the QE2. How bizarre. Okay. Oh, it's starting here, Paul. It's quite surreal, isn't it? Never thought I'd be on the QE2, and now I'm on the QE2. It's stationary, but it's still floating. And it's beautiful, nice big room. And the food was outstanding.
Amazing, amazing. No, we haven't shared this, have we?
We haven't actually made this video yet, because what happened is we were only in Dubai for a short time before we headed to Turkey, to Istanbul in Turkey.
Beautiful Istanbul.
And then it all kicked off. So this is, I think this is an area called Taksim, which is like old Istanbul. It's rather nice looking streets. The guy's here doing. Hello, how are you?
Hi,
We were planning to stay in Istanbul for a week or two. The pandemic came along and we ended up stuck in Turkey for what turned out to be nearly 5 months. But it was still a great adventure, and many of you will have watched the adventures we had there. A lot of live streaming, a lot of videos made whilst we were in Turkey, Istanbul. We're going out to eat with the last of the stragglers, the last of the COVID refugees. My day out today is about as organised as it always is. Mert recommended a restaurant.
Why are you lying?
That he told me. Oh, you swear in my child-friendly video.
We got to experience Istanbul as nobody else has experienced it. Very empty but beautiful.
Empty streets, closed hotels, closed restaurants. Quite amazing, really. So that all happened. 5 months of Istanbul and a little bit of time in the lovely seaside resort of Bodrum. And then we decided we needed to get and just do something outside of this lockdown. So hence, today you see us walking along with our backpacks to share with you the last half of 2020, where Michelle and I...
Well, we flew into the UK, didn't we, in, I think, late July?
Yes, but almost the beginning of August.
Yes.
And you had an idea. What was the idea?
Oh, well, we initially wanted to do the Santiago walk in Spain, but that obviously wasn't going to happen. So I said, let's walk from John O'Groats to Land's End.
Now, when Michelle first mentioned that, I thought she was crazy. But then I slept on it and woke up the next morning and said, yeah, let's do it. Why not? So we're through. Thank you. I'm going to look for someone to camp just the other side of this bush here. Woohoo! We're off. It's the way we rock and roll sometimes, you know, unplanned. We had 3 days to think about it. We left Turkey. We came to the United Kingdom, where we met our lovely friend Rick from Rick Van Man, the YouTube channel. And Rick gave us a place to stay while we planned the walk. Well, I say we planned.
Well, we planned.
We planned the walk.
We organised our walk.
We got these lovely Osprey backpacks. Thank you to Osprey Australia and Osprey Europe for helping us out with those. We also, though, had to invest quite a bit into gear, walking boots, these jackets.
And camping gear.
Camping gear. We had nothing with us.
We were going to camp the whole way.
Absolutely. So, we weren't perturbed by that, though. We basically got everything together, and then we drove from Rick's house in the south of England all the way up to John O'Groats in Scotland in a remarkable little car with a Union Jack on the top. Here is the car for the drive. Take a look at this. I've lost the key. It's a keyless Mini, but I don't know what I've done with the key.
Did you leave it on the side?
No, I think I put it in.
It's even got Union Jack.
So Rick is hoping it's an automatic boot. I would imagine not, but let's see. No, I think it's a pull.
Still locked. Probably wasn't locked before.
So we can't go, Rick, we're coming back. Can't get in the car. And, well, what can I say? We walked.
We walked.
It took us 3 months. We walked from John O'Groats, the furthest northern point of Scotland.
In sort of mid-August we started.
We started on August the 20th or something like that, around about that date. And it took us 3 months. We walked all the way down to the very furthest tip of the United Kingdom, to Land's End, or England. It was Land's End. So, all in all, it was a pretty exciting year. Lots happening.
We did lots.
And we had then the most awesome Christmas with our friend Rick here in the UK. We had Christmas. We've eaten to excess.
Yeah, we've had such fun.
Chin chin.
Chin chin. Oh,
Happy New Year! Happy New Year!
Happy New Year, everybody!
everybody.
Should old acquaintance be forgot?
Ben says, "Where's the smoke?" Well, the smoke's coming, Ben. It's coming.
Oh, Rick, get in. Going the wrong way, Rick. We expect you
What do we expect, Steve?
to have a fantastic 2021.
I'm going in, ready?
Go on, ready?
Oh.
Whoa! 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 And now there are some new plans afoot. With Michelle and I, life is all about living and getting on and just doing things.
New adventures.
New adventures.
New year, new adventures.
So whilst I take you up this little pathway here, this little dirty pathway, which to Michelle and I was our bread and butter for most of the second half of 2020. Walking down, muddy, dirty, slimy little roads like this is what we do best. Isn't it, Michelle?
Absolutely, we're good at it now.
We're good at it. Now, it is possibly -1 degrees today, I think.
I think so.
It's colder. It's about as cold as it ever got for us on the walk from Scotland down to England. Even in August, we were getting really cold temperatures.
Yes, it was a lot colder than we anticipated.
So we're kind of used to it. We walked a great deal of woodland like this. We walked many of the most beautiful canal walks. We walked through, let's go through quickly, what walks did we do, if we can remember?
John O'Groats
John
Trail.
O'Groats Trail, we did the Great
Highland Way, the Great Glen Way, the West Highland Way.
No, the Great Glen Way.
The Great Glen Way.
Which we nicknamed the
The
Glen
Glen
Way.
Way.
We did the West Highland Way. We did the John Muir's Way.
Cuthbert's Way. We did a lot of ways.
We did a lot of ways. We did the
Pennine
Deer
Way.
Street. Oh, the Pennine Way.
Oh,
How
we
can
love the
forget
Pennine
that
Way.
Awful experience. And a number of other limestone ways, the Severn Way, all the way down.
Cross Drovers Pathway, wasn't
Yeah,
it? That was beautiful.
Absolutely beautiful. And eventually, we ended up in the small town where Michelle and I were born.
Yes.
In Taunton, in the south of England, which was quite a great experience. We did a live stream.
We did.
From Taunton. We can probably stop here today.
Sit on the seesaw.
We've got a seesaw. Look. Oi, chunky, mind yourself.
My bag's heavier than yours.
So here we are. This is a very robust seesaw. Here we are on the seesaws in the park next to our old houses when we were tiny little tots.
You're getting off.
We'd better get off before we break it.
And Mandy says, cooking a Lancashire lamb hot pot for Sunday dinners, full of root vegetables.
Ooh.
Sounds delicious.
Lancashire hot pot. We used to do Lancashire hot pot with scrag end, didn't we? Was it with scrag end, lamb scrag end? Yeah, using lamb neck for a good Lancashire hot pot. Oh, delicious.
Yep.
Yeah.
And full of root vegetables. There you go.
Right. We're going to hit the
road.
We have to get going. We've
Yes.
got to get out of Taunton now and get back on the walk. Are we lost again, Michelle?
We're lost again. We got lost so many times.
Yeah. Lost is what we do best. But we did walk close to 2,000 kilometres, I'm sure. We haven't actually even yet calculated how long the walk was for us.
No.
It's about 1,200 miles. So it's quite amazing. So for a year that was a write-off for many people, we still managed to get a fair bit done.
We did achieve a lot, didn't we?
We did.
When you look back at what we did.
We talked about this over Christmas. It's been a limited opportunity year, but when we think about it, we've done a great deal.
We have.
Really. So many hundreds of videos. So there you have it. There's our look back at 2020. I hope you enjoyed traveling with us, and I hope your year's been okay and you've had a reasonably good time. If you've done anything exciting last year, comment down below. Let us know what you got up to. And from Michelle and I, out in the woods.
Out in the woods.
In England.
Looking forward to the next adventure.
My hands are freezing. I'm actually carrying this tripod with me in case we need any sort of B-roll. So this hand is virtually frozen to the stick. The things we do for our art.
Absolutely, absolutely.
Look forward to January this year, 2021. There's some interesting things on the horizon towards the end of the year. Towards the end of the month for us. And yeah, we're going to make it work. 2021. Join us. See you on the road.
Bye.
Did the bye go all right?
Yeah, I think so.
Yeah.